GPS, Global Positioning System, is a satellite that provides information in all weather condition of an unobstructed location on Earth. What if your GPS fails to operate while you are in the middle of the ocean? What options you will do? Options are 1. By running fix, but factors that affect this are wind and current. 2. By bearing and sounding, this is not possible at most of the time. 3. By taking astronomical sight, the most commonly used by the navigators. In doing astronomical sight, things that we need to prepare in finding our ship's coordinates with the absence of GPS are the following: marine chronometer, watch, sextant, nautical almanac. Having all these things on board is not a guarantee that we could find our ship's coordinates. Of course, the ability to use the instrument correctly is needed, and the capacity to calculate precisely of what is being required. 6 common methods being used are the following. For the latitude: 1. Latitude by Polaris, pole star. 2. Latitude by meridian altitude. 3. Latitude by ex-meridian. For the longitude: 4. Longitude by meridian passage of the sun. 5. Longitude by chronometer. For the position line: 6. Intercept.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.